Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we will discuss MRI HBS, which stands for Magnetic Resonance Imaging of the Hepatobiliary System. In this video, we will cover what is MRI HBS, anatomy of hepatobiliary system, indications, MRI technique, sequences used, contrast MRI HBS, common MRI findings, clinical importance. This video is useful for medical students, doctors, radiology technologists, and general viewers. What is MRI HBS? MRI HBS is a non-invasive imaging modality used to evaluate the liver, gallbladder, bile ducts, and pancreas. It uses strong magnetic fields and radio frequency pulses to produce high-resolution images without using ionizing radiation. MRI HBS is especially helpful for soft tissue characterization and biliary tract evaluation. Hepatobiliary System anatomy. The hepatobiliary system includes liver, gallbladder, intrahepatic bile ducts, extrahepatic bile ducts, common bile duct, CBD, pancreas, partially evaluated. The liver produces bile, which is stored in the gallbladder and transported through the bile ducts into the duodenum. Indications of MRI HBS. MRI HBS is indicated in chronic liver disease, cirrhosis, hepatocellular carcinoma, HCC, liver metastases, biliary obstruction, colodicolithiasis, cholangitis, gallbladder carcinoma, congenital biliary anomalies, pancreatobiliary tumors. MRI technique. The patient is placed in a supine position. MRI HBS is performed using a phased array body coil. The patient is instructed to hold breath during image acquisition to reduce motion artifacts. Scanning time usually ranges from 20 to 40 minutes. MRI sequences used. Common sequences include T1-weighted images, useful for anatomy and fat detection. T2-weighted images, excellent for detecting bile ducts, cysts, and fluid. Fat-suppressed sequences, improve lesion conspicuity. Diffusion-weighted imaging, helpful in detecting malignancy and abscess. MRCP, magnetic resonance cholangiopancreatography, special T2-weighted sequence, provides detailed view of biliary and pancreatic ducts. Contrast-enhanced MRI HBS. Contrast-enhanced MRI uses gadolinium-based contrast agents. Dynamic phases include arterial phase, portal venous phase, delayed phase. In some cases, hepatobiliary-specific contrast agents are used, such as gadoxetic acid. These agents are taken up by hepatocytes and excreted into bile, improving lesion characterization. Common MRI findings. MRI HBS can detect fatty liver, hepatic steatosis, liver cirrhosis, regenerative nodules, dysplastic nodules, hepatocellular carcinoma, liver abscess, biliary dilation, bile duct strictures, gallstones, cholangiocarcinoma. MRI HBS versus other modalities. Compared to ultrasound, operator-dependent, CT scan, radiation exposure, MRI provides superior soft tissue contrast, no radiation, multiplanar imaging, excellent biliary evaluation. Contraindications. MRI is contraindicated in patients with non-MRI compatible pacemaker, cochlear implants, ferromagnetic foreign bodies, severe claustrophobia, relative. Clinical importance. MRI HBS plays a vital role in early detection of liver tumors, accurate staging of malignancy, surgical planning, treatment monitoring, non-invasive biliary evaluation. Conclusion. In conclusion, MRI HBS is a powerful diagnostic tool for evaluating hepatobiliary disorders. It provides detailed anatomical and functional information without radiation exposure. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe to our channel.